Did you know that the 50th anniversary is called the Golden Anniversary? Pretty cool, right? Our school is truly golden.
You are so lucky to have such a wonderful school that wins awards, that have wonderful students. We're very lucky that you're all here. And I hope in 10 years I'll come back and I'll talk again, okay? I see committed teachers and staff, all of whom are here and are surrounding us, who really go above and beyond to make sure that our kids get what they need each and every day. Happy 50th birthday day, Portola, and let's make it a great day.
Thank you for letting me be here today and to see all the amazing things that has gone on in this school over the last 50 years.
Like the children of so many of our staff members, and even one current staff member herself. Children of district administrators, city council members, and previous Patriots, you are now part of our legacy that is sure to continue in the distant future.